Hi, I'm Andrei Lukic. I'm the co-founder of CMI, and today I will go over a question that we keep getting during our mock interview series, which is, I think, important for people starting out, but it's also something that experienced people might benefit from. Basically, many people start learning how to program from websites and blogs and so on, but they don't really have, or they don't know about how to practice it. And in computer programming or in anything computer science related, practice beats reading and any other kind of learning. You can't fully understand a concept until you have written it yourself, implemented it yourself in your favorite programming language, and kind of hit your head against the wall so many times until you got that thing to work. And the best way to start doing these type of things is to kind of go out there and start solving problems on websites like Hackerrank that offer you very short, focused questions that will get you to practice different parts of your computer science knowledge. For example, you can get a question on lists, or you can get a question on other data structures like dictionaries or hash maps, and you have a fun way of trying to solve maybe a real-life problem and also practice that type of knowledge. And another way of figuring out how to program and to put your knowledge into practice is to find something that you're passionate about. Find a domain or find a subject, find something that you're really passionate or something that you care about deeply that is not necessarily related to computer programming or computer science in general or data science, and start building an application that is somehow connected to it. So let's say you really like to travel, and you thought of having some sort of system that keeps all the destinations you visited organized in a certain way. Then why not just go and start building it yourself? Because building a project from scratch by yourself is going to give you a lot of experience to different parts of the process, and also you'll get a chance to practice your coding and develop coding skills. But you'll also get a lot in terms of how you think about these things and how would you go in real life from an algorithm that you learned somewhere, like how to sort a list, to actually using it and doing something useful with it. And the best way to do that is get a project, create a project that's about something you like and something you know, so you don't need to worry or get frustrated about it and it doesn't become boring. And just start building up piece by piece, functionality by functionality, whatever application you have in mind or whatever solution you thought of for that specific domain. Doing both of them, I think would be amazing, and it's amazing because you can go to platforms that offer you programming questions to just practice specific parts of your knowledge, and then you can work on your side project and try to apply everything you learn within that domain. And it's gonna give you practical expertise and theoretical expertise all combined in one. So then when you go to an interview or you start a new position or you're faced with a problem in your daily job, you'll know how to start solving it. And if you don't have a solution, at least you know how to think about that problem. That's a big step, and it will take you a lot further than just not practicing at all.